Hi everybody. Hope everybody's doing well today. Today is Tuesday. So everybody needs to go ahead and try to say today is Tuesday. Oops. And it is still April. We're getting closer to the end of the month, but right now it is Tuesday, April 21st. Tuesday, April 21st. And today, it's gonna be nice and sunny. And 80 degrees. So I think we could say that that was hot. So, it's gonna be 80 degrees, so we can put some shorts on. With a t-shirt. Let's get some shoes on our feet. We can wear some sandals. I'm not feeling a hat today. We can wear some sunglasses in that sun though. Alright, so today's weather. Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. Sunny and hot. Hope you guys have a great day. Remember to log in and do the assignments in Canvas and watch your calendar videos. Miss y'all.